This is Homelink 9.9, Multiplication Two Ways, Part 1, for Grade 3 Everyday Math. Observe as your child solves these problems. See if your child can use more than one method of multiplication, and find out which method your child prefers. Both methods are discussed in the student reference book on pages 68 to 72, and in the Unit 9 Family Letter. Use the lattice method and the partial products algorithm. Okay, so we're going to use those methods, and we're still going to solve with the traditional algorithm. So for the lattice method, what we do is we multiply 6 times 2. We know 6 times 2 is 12, so we write that in the box here. 1, 2. And then we multiply 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8, so it's 0, 8. And then we simply add across diagonally. So 2 plus nothing is 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. And then 0. So the answer should be 92. For the partial products method, we'll just circle that. The partial products method, we do 2 times 4, which is really 2 times 40. And we get 80. Plus 6 times 2, which is 12, plus 12. And we also get 92. So we've checked it, we've done 2 ways, and we got them both the same. Now we'll do the traditional algorithm. 46 times 2. 6 times 2 is 12. Down the 2, carry the 1. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So all 3 ways, we get 92. Next, 5 times 83. So we say 5 times 3 is 15, plus 5 times 8 is 40. So you see, we just write the numbers, tens place and ones place, and take it individual boxes at a time. And then we're just going to add. 5 plus nothing is 5, 1 plus nothing is 1, and 4 plus nothing is 4. The answer should be 415. Let's check over here with the partial products method. 5 times 8, or 5 times 80, will be 400. And 5 times 3 is 15. Add those together, and we get 415. Now let's try the traditional algorithm. 83 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. So the answer that we got each time for the lattice method, for the traditional algorithm, and for the partial products method is 415. Alright, let's take a look at the next one. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 2 is 6. 6, and then there's nothing in the tens place. And we just add. 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 6 plus 2 is 8, and then nothing there. So the answer should be 822. Kind of a neat little method. Now let's do the partial products algorithm. 3 times 2, or 3 times 200, is going to be 600, plus 3 times 7, which is really 3 times 70, so it's 210, plus 3 times 4, which is 12. I'm keeping everything lined right up, keep track of it. 2, and then 1 plus 1 is 2, and 6 plus 2 is 8. So 822. And then for the traditional algorithm, we'll do it here. 274 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12, carry the 1. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 is 22, carry the 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8. 822. And that's the answer. You see, we get the same answer all 3 ways. So it's whichever way is easiest for you. Alright, 8 times 906. This one we have to set up ourselves. So we're going to put the 8 over here. And then we're going to write 906. So it's like 906 times 8. So 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 0, 0. So both boxes have 0. And then 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, and then we just add 8, 4, 2, 7. Alright, it should be 7,248. Let's check with the partial products method. 8 times 9, which is 72, but it's 900, so it's 7,200. And then there's no 10s to add. And then 8 times 6 is going to be 48. So 7,200 plus 48 is indeed 7,248. If we use the traditional algorithm with this, we say 900, 6 times 8. 8 times 6 is 48, carry the 4. 8 times 0, nothing, plus 4 is 4. 9 times 8 is 72. So all three ways, we get 7,248. And again, it's a great idea to circle your answers so your teacher can see your work. Alright, this is Homework 9.9 Multiplication 2 Ways Part 1 for Grade 3 Everyday Math.